it? Miles, what's in there? What's in there? Are those birthday presents? To Miles? Huh? Can you open them? Let's open them. Can you tear? Tear it. Good job. Yeah, you got paper. Can you tear the rest of it? Here, you got to tear the rest of it, silly. You're not done. Can you tear it? Oh, tear it. Tear it open. Yay! Can you tear it open? Here you go. Here, tear there. Tear there. Tear it. Good job. Wow. What's in there? What is it? Oh, are they books? Oh, do you like them? Do you like them? Yeah? Yeah, did you see here? Look at this. What's this? Did you touch? Touch here? Oh, you like them, huh? Is that a kitty? It is? Yeah, you say here's your card. What else is in there, Miles? What else is in the box? Is there more in the box? Is there? What's in there? Do you want help? Here. Is there another one too? Yeah, good job. There you go. Can you open that one? Here. Try this. There you go. Good job. What is that? Can you tear it some more? Tear it some more. Whoa. Yeah, is it fun? What is that? You see giraffe? You tear it? Do you need help? Okay, you do it. Yeah, you see him? Yeah, finish ripping the paper off. Here. Can you finish ripping? Good job. Yeah, that's fun paper, isn't it? What is it? It's a book? Can you read it to Mommy? Oh, you want Mommy to read it?